working more, so it's not really stress and forget about the whole thing.
Guys, it's 2023. Hooray! Thank God we made it. Yeah. Welcome back to our channel. This is Spellbeck TV, and today being a new year, I want to do something special for the family. I'm coming to bake. Yay! Let's get started. You add your flour. This is soft flour, 1.5 cup. I'm using 1.5 cup soft flour, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll sieve it together, and then I'll mix it for everything to come together. After, I'll set this aside. So in a bowl, I'll break my eggs, and then I don't like breaking my eggs together to prevent spoiling if one has gone bad. So this is how I break my egg. So I'll mix it together. Then I'll add a tablespoon of nutmeg, evaporated milk. And then I'll add my vanilla essence. So guys, I'll set this aside and work on my sugar and butter. So in a different bowl, I'll add 1/2 cup sugar, 3/4 margarine. I'll whisk it together. Guys, this is where the job is. To this mixture, I'll add my egg and milk and nutmeg vanilla mixture I did earlier on, slowly, and then so guys, after adding the egg, milk and stuff, I'm now coming to add my flour bit by bit. After I add my mixtures together, this is what I have here. And your cake mixture shouldn't be hard, it should be flowy. So it shouldn't be hard, if not you end up with bang cookie. At this point, I'll prep my baking pan. Yes, so I'll smear butter inside it like this. After this, I'll dust it with some flour. So my pan is all prepped up. Now I'm going to pour my mixture. I'm done. You don't have to pour your cake mixture to the brim because of the baking powder. The cake will rise. So you have to leave a space for the rising of the cake whilst it's cooking. Guys, we are finally coming to check on our cake. You want to check that your cake is ready. You get your toothpick and then you do this. So, yes. And then you poke your toothpick inside your cake and then you bring it out. If it comes out clean with nothing sticking, then it means your cake is ready. So guys, at this point, my cake is ready. Ready. Oh, I like the way that I just went through with no hassle. Oh, okay. So let me talk cake. Yum.
Leftover of what Bex used for her cake. I'm going to transform it. This is the leftover. I'm going to transform it into something way back when I was a kid we used to do. And I don't know the name, but we call it kweku. So this is the initial texture of the leftover. So I'm going to add some of the flour. This one, because it's small, there's nothing like measurement to it. So I'm going to add some of the flour to it just to make it thicker. Okay. I add a tablespoon of the margarine to my mixture. I'm adding the margarine to it because it will make it very, 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 very crispy. Yeah. Good to go. This is how the texture should finally be, because I'll be sticking it in the baking pan. Finally, this is how my kweku turned out. And it's looking very, very, very crispy. Let me try. So if I turn it, this is how it looks like. And this Bex cake, she has already cut part of it. So basically, this is how it looks like. This is what we call the kweku. But I think it's called cookies. And Charlie, it is very, very nice, guys. You will love it. On this note, this was a family bakery, and guys, thanks for watching this video. This is a new year video, and we promise you nothing but the best. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, share, comment, and like, and we say
We out.